Hi everyone and welcome to the Interpreter's Kitchen. So today I would like to share with you one of my favorite recipes for Turkish style red lentil soup with lots of veggies in it. It is also a great opportunity to use the leftover vegetables or the celery leaves which you don't know what to do with. Now without further ado, let's get right into the recipe. Of course, we are going to start with chopping an onion. Then dice half a medium carrot. And then do the same for a medium potato. So now add 4 to 5 tablespoons of olive oil into a pot, and here I added all of them at once because I was in a little bit of a hurry, but you can first add the onions and then carrots and potatoes respectively. Saute them all together for a few minutes and then add the washed and rinsed red lentils and saute again. Then add some hot water just to cover them all and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm adding the celery leaves that have been waiting in the freezer for a while now and some spinach leaves too. You can use whatever you have at home or your leftover veggies, according to your taste. After cooking, add more hot water to adjust the thickness to your liking. And it's time to add some salt and pepper and turmeric powder. Now I'm going to blend until smooth. So this is such a delicious Turkish soup recipe which you could cook for your family as a comfort food. And if you have any beef or chicken broth, you should definitely add it. It will make it even tastier. And to drizzle with, melt some butter, add 1 tablespoon of paprika and saute for a few minutes, then drizzle over your delicious soup. Serve warm with a piece of lemon and enjoy.